Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, fellow healthcare professionals, and especially my survivors, thank you for joining me today. Myself, Dr. Paresh Patel. I am here to shed the light on the significance of uterine fibroid embolization in the realm of women's health. Uterine artery embolization is a game-changing technique for uterine fibroids, uterine AVM, and postpartum hemorrhage. Non-cancerous growth of uterus like uterine fibroids can disrupt women's health like heavy menstrual bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, pain, pressure symptoms, and fertility issues. Through uterine artery embolization, we block that vessels and thereby shrinking that uterine fibroid and through which alleviating these distressing symptoms. Why is this procedure is so important? Think about it. There are other options to treat this uterine fibroid like myomectomy and hysterectomy. These procedures are effective but required longer recovery periods and they have its own risk. Loss of fertility can make them unsuitable to young women who dreaming to starting their family. By sparing the uterus while managing and shrinking fibroids, uterine artery embolization, these procedures empowers women to regain their control over their body and their lives. It offers them the chance to preserve their fertility while managing their symptoms. Now, some might wonder about the safety and effectiveness of this procedure. Rest assured, many studies shown that this uterine artery embolization procedure is safe and effective. Majority of patients experience improvement in symptoms within days or months and many offering complete resolutions. Complication is rare, maybe transient pain or discomfort after procedure. In the end, I would like to say that the importance of this procedure cannot be overstated. This remarkable interventions provides a relief to women who grappling with the debilitating effects of uterine fibroids. It offers them a chance for relief without sacrificing their dreams of motherhood. As a radiologist, it's our duty to advocate about this procedure and ensure that all women have access to this transformative treatment option. Thank you. Let us know if you have any questions or doubt regarding uterine fibroid embolization or interventional radiology. Until then, let's keep navigating beyond boundaries.